Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to receive new videos, and the thumb up button so that the video will go viral and get to those that will also need this video. Now we are here to discuss how we can fix a mobile phone that is not charging or charging at a very slow rate. Charging at a very slow rate meaning if you are charging a mobile phone for like 1 hour or 30 minutes and the whole percentage you get on your battery is just 5 or 4%, so it is at a very slow rate. Now I have two methods in which you can fix this through resetting your phone. So you can reset your phone, so from there the thing will start charging. But if you reset your phone, or how do you reset your phone? Go to your phone setting, then go to the storage, then you see backup, you see reset or factory reset. Now instead of resetting immediately or factory resetting immediately, the first thing you do is back up your file. You click backup, it will back up your files, then you can now reset. After then your phone will boot back on, then try to charge the phone. So if it is not working, you try this little trick too. You get a small strand of broom. When you get a small strand of broom, then get something like an ethanol, or you get this local gin or methylated spirit. So you need a small cotton wool, very small, because you are going to be inserting it in the port, the charging port of your phone here. So then you soak the cotton a little, then you wound it around the tip of the strand of broom, then you use it to clean this little pot here. Then you try to use it like 2 to 3, 4 times. You leave for like 5 to 10 minutes. I think by then it should be dried up. Then you can now charge your phone, and you see the magic that happens. Now I would love us to drop comments if you are having this issue and you have been able to solve it with any of these two methods. So you just write in the comment fixed. So thank you for watching this video. We see you some other time.